We want a house? You have some questions about a mortgage, maybe a refi? You've come to the right place. We are talking real estate reality, and we are joined today by Meg Burns, the co-founder of OfferAngel.com. And I was kind of mid-sentence when we were in the commercial because this is fascinating.
Yes.
Explain what OfferAngel does.
Well, it's very fascinating because it's never been done before. Essentially what we are is we're a website where people come, they create an account with us. They can use any lender of their choice that they want to use because we're independent of lenders. We're not a mortgage company. They create an account. We notify the lender they're working with that they want their offer of their mortgage and all the terms that go along with it to be submitted through our website.
This is before they agree to it?
Absolutely.
Okay.
This is in the beginning when they're shopping for a loan.
Okay.
So all those questions that people don't know to ask, all those things that are happening to so many people these days because they had terms that they didn't know about, we're going to find out what those things are because the lender's required to answer these questions. It all gets transmitted electronically, goes right into their account on OfferAngel.com, where they can view the information about their terms in an easy-to-read format, and most importantly, it's not overwhelming.
What's the cost of this great service?
Well, it's free. It's
Okay.
totally free. They can sign up for free. They can view their offers for free. They can receive all this information from the lenders that they're working with for free. If they want something personalized that's tailored to their particular situation, their financial goals, so that they don't end up in the situation that so many other people have ended up in, they can create a personalized mortgage report.
Okay.
What this is it's one of our mortgage analysts taking a look at the offers that they've received, looking at those mortgage terms that might not be good for their situation and forewarning them to that. It's an unbiased report, and it'll help them figure out if maybe there's a too good to be true offer out there for them. And the cost of that is $24.95.
This seems like, what a tremendous service because it is extremely overwhelming.
Yes.
When you're buying for the first time or even a couple of times down the road, there are so many offers out there. What do you say some of the red flags are, and what are the things that you are asking about that most of us maybe are not thinking to clarify?
Well, I think the most important thing, that a lot of people don't necessarily recognize when they're shopping for a mortgage loan, or a big misconception in the industry right now, is that these issues that are happening with people getting into the wrong types of loans, it doesn't have to do with how much money you make or how well educated you are. The mortgage shopping process and the mortgage industry is extremely complex. You cannot shop for a mortgage loan the same way you do, say, a car loan. There's just too many other terms out there, things such as interest rate, APR, prepayment penalties, discount points. Those are a lot of things that people have become aware of over the last few years. But there's a whole other set of questions that loan has to, that deals with that loan that people are not thinking about. Things like margins, yield spreads. Those are some of those hidden costs that people are not aware of or don't even know how to, they don't know how to ask about them.
And we are certainly seeing people suffering from the effects of getting in over their heads in the wrong situation and losing their homes.
Yes, and it's very scary. In fact, they're estimating that 2 million households over the next 2.5 years will lose their homes to foreclosures. Many of those people chose the wrong mortgage or just simply didn't understand their mortgage terms.
Okay, so they could have made a better choice for themselves and protected themselves. OfferAngel.com is the website. Meg, thank you so much. I have so many more questions, but we're out of time. We're going to have all that information on our hotline and website. The number is 207-3646 or azfamily.com. Make sure to check it out. Let your friends know about that because it is certainly confusing. I don't get it. I will readily admit that here. Thank you very much.